Really quick video, guys. If you guys have a Knight Rider dash and you got a lot of vibration in it, a lot of squeaks and squeals from the actual fiberglass to the stock pad of your car. Well, actually you take the pad out, which is right here. This is what it looks like when you take the pad out. So you're going to replace this pad with your Knight Rider dash pad, which is made out of fiberglass. You're going to have a lot of clinging and clanging of rattling and stuff. So what I did is I got some padding here from, you can get it from Home Depot, Lowe's. And it's about $25 for a roll. I think it was 6 by 8 feet. I think this is about 1/4 inch. You don't need it too thick. And you can see on the stock pad it does have a little bit of dried up padding. It's not very thick either, as you can see. So compare that to what I got. It's probably twice as thick what I have here. See that? So that's what I used, is some padding. Just grab that from Home Depot or Lowe's and grab some all-purpose spray adhesive. This is made by Permatex, and this is made for carpets and different headliners and stuff. This will work just great. It works better than the headliner adhesive. And this is all-purpose. I think I got this at AutoZone or something, automotive store. And then it works real quick. You just spray it down, and as soon as you spray it down, it starts to tack immediately, especially when you're in the sun. And then you just lay the padding right on top of that, you know, stick like glue, and that's it. Then you go to install your electronics. You want to leave a little bit of space. I made this 13 inches long from here to here. The stock one is about 12 inches, so I made it a little bit longer than that because this one's a little bit bigger. So yeah, after you install this back in the car, you'll see the difference that this makes. Should quiet it down quite a bit. And yeah, that's how it's easily installed. Just make a template. That's all I did, was I cut out 13 inches long, and then I just did my cutouts all the way around here, and cut out for the vents for the defroster. Put a little piece here. You can cut this out if you want. This is where your countdown goes. I kind of put a marking where it needs to be cut. If the customer wants to cut this out, he can do it on his own, but I'll leave it there for now. But yeah, this is ready to ship out to its customer. And yeah, this is the first time I'm adding the padding, so hopefully he'll enjoy that.